2019 Dodge Grand Caravan transmission replacement. Well, that's a kind of weird type of transmission. I mean, you're gonna have some kind of like hard time to just make it balance on the transmission jack. But anyway, the procedure is about the same. Loosen up the starter right here. Torque converters you're gonna access from here, and take a 4-bolt from the torque converter. No needed to take the subframe off. There is a small bracket. It goes across the transmission and the engine. You need to take it off, and that's it. The transmission fluid is about ATF plus 4, and we're gonna need 6 quarts of the ATF plus 4 for the transmission fluid. And if you want to do the overall transmission, you're gonna need 9 quarts. So this is the old transmission. Just make sure when you want to put it back together, make sure you push back the torque converter all the way in. This one is already out. You have to push it, wiggle it, and push it all the way back in. Other than that, you're gonna have a hard time to put the screws back, and if you do and you force it, you're gonna break the oil pump for the transmission. So that is it all about. I believe I just summarized 7 hours job in just about 2 minutes video. Just give me a call if you have any question. Nothing special about this. No program needed, unless when you put it back together it start acting like weird. It says it might need pre-programming, but I've never seen such a pre-programming for this kind of vehicles. Again, give me a call if you have any questions. See you guys next time. Thank you guys for watching.